Hello folks, my name is Jenna from Golden State Times. Welcome back to the newsroom, and today I have a breaking news story. This one comes courtesy of goldenstatetimes.com. Again, that's www.goldenstatetimes.com. We got some pretty good news this time, folks, and it says that the IRS is set to issue refunds to those that filed late during the pandemic and were charged fees and penalties. You're right, folks. It says the IRS to refund 1.6 million Americans who missed tax filing deadlines during the pandemic and got charged fines. Once again, this comes courtesy of goldenstatetimes.com. But before I begin, I want to let everyone know, and I want to make it really clear, I am not a tax professional. I am not a tax preparer. I am not an accountant. I'm not a CPA or any of those things. I am just a journalist that is giving you the news. That is all. Now, if you want to see if this benefits you in any way, then talk to your tax professional, CPA, or whatever you have, and let them know if this will help and benefit you. I just want to make that very clear. I am not a tax professional. I'm just reporting the news. Here we go. So it says the Internal Revenue Service is sending refunds to more than 1.6 million Americans who filed their taxes late in the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic. Taxpayers have until September the 30th to take advantage of this reprieve, according to the IRS. It says typically people who file their taxes late without requesting an extension can expect to pay penalties up to 25% of the amount of taxes they owe. For 2019 and 2020, however, the agency is suspending penalties for late filers. Taxpayers who've already paid the fine will automatically be given a refund, according to the IRS. More than 1.6 million taxpayers are set to receive those refunds or credits, totaling over $1.2 billion. An average of $750 per person, though some may get more and some may get less. It goes on to say that taxpayers who already filed their returns don't need to do anything, according to the IRS. If you had been notified of a fine but have not yet paid it, the penalty will be erased, while those who already paid the penalty will receive a refund or a credit onto their account. Most of the refunds will be delivered by the end of September. Taxpayers who have yet to file returns for 2019 and 2020 can still have penalties forgiven, as long as they file their return or their returns 2019-2020 by September the 30th, 2022. That gives late filers just over 2 weeks to wrap it up and file in their outstanding returns. So they want your returns and they want you to hurry up. It says the effort is a move to help struggling taxpayers affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, according to the IRS. The plan could also help the agency, which is struggling to dig itself out of a massive backlog of unprocessed tax returns. You want to know what's crazy? The IRS still has 2018 tax returns that they still haven't gone through, that they still haven't put onto people's accounts at the IRS. That's how backlogged they are. That's crazy stuff. It says the pandemic has had an unprecedented effect on the tax agency, according to the IRS, highlighting the agency's role in distributing federal stimulus payments and taking other steps to help taxpayers weather the pandemic. Dropping late filing penalties could also benefit the IRS by helping the agency focus on whittling down the backlog of tax paperwork and returning to normal by 2023 tax season. The same tax season that Biden is expecting the IRS to hire 81,000 new tax agents, IRS agents. The same tax season that is going to be crazy. So get ready for that, but they're going to give you guys a little something before we get to that point. But again, I am not a tax preparer. I am not a tax professional. I'm not a CPA or anything, accountant or anything like that. Make sure you guys talk to those people to see if this will benefit you. They'll be the ones that know because they know your accounts. So make sure you guys get in contact with them as soon as possible and see if you guys are going to get a refund, you guys are going to get a credit, or you don't have to worry about it anymore. So to some, it will be a big benefit. To others, it'll just be good news for other people. But talk to your people and see what they say. Thank you so much for joining us here at Golden State Times. We're just reporting the news, reporting the good news for some, and for others, if you paid it on time and did what you're supposed to do, then great. But for those that had to pay it a little late, then this is good news for you. Thank you so much, folks. Thank you so much for joining us here at Golden State Times. Make sure you check out our website, goldenstatetimes.com, and you click the thumbs up button if you guys think this is good news. Also, make sure that you check out our previous videos and you stay tuned because we're going to be uploading a whole bunch of news videos today. So make sure you guys join us in just a little while. Also, just as update of what's going on, Biden is not at the White House. Go figure, right? Biden is not at the White House, so we might not have a White House press briefing today. But he was invited to the Queen's funeral, so he's going to be heading to London, I think, on Friday or Saturday. So he's going to be traveling abroad. But just in case of anything, any updates, breaking news, scoops, and everything like that, it's on our website, goldenstatetimes.com, and also on YouTube. So join us for that. Thank you so much, folks, and I'll see you guys on the next one. But until then, my name is Gent. I'll see you soon. Please share this video on social media to let other patriots know that they might get a refund or a credit, or the payment that they were worried about is completely forgiven. Thank you so much, folks, and I'll see you soon. Peace.